badam spices such as cinnamon and ginger, and it is so easy to make. But first, don't forget to subscribe to VAHDAM India's YouTube channel, turn on your notifications because we're going to be dropping a lot of classic recipes using badam spices. But now, let's get started on this recipe. Growing up, my mother used to make this recipe every weekend, and let me tell you, we all eat this in a snap. It was so good. But today I'm sharing my healthy version, also gluten-free, using kitchen essentials from Badam Spices. I'm using today ginger and cinnamon that will be adding a lot of flavor to this delicious banana bread with a hint of Himalayan salt. As the base of this recipe, I actually blended some rolled oats on my blender to make that oat flour super easy to make and also cheaper. As sweetener, I actually use a blend of stevia and monk fruit, but you can use your favorite sugars such as coconut sugar or brown sugar too. We are going to mix all our dry ingredients including cinnamon and ginger, and as a food blogger and nutritionist, I'm a firm believer that quality spices are a level up for every recipe. And this is why I love Badam Spices. They are so fresh and they bring every recipe to another level. And since we're going to make banana bread, of course we're going to use some bananas that I'm going to microwave to make them even easier to mix. That's a baking hack that I learned a while ago and will change your life, promise you. I'm also using an egg and some vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons to increase the flavor of the cinnamon and ginger. Also, instead of butter, I decided to use some almond butter to increase the flavor and some vitamin E along with other healthy fats and minerals. And we're going to mix all of our ingredients until fully incorporated, and we're going to transfer into a small baking dish. We're going to spread our batter into our baking dish and we're going to top with our favorite nut. I added some pecans, but you can use almond, cashews, or pistachios. And finally, we're going to bake for 35 minutes at 360 Fahrenheit. And once baked and cool, you only have to enjoy with your family, loved ones, along with your favorite drink. And as I said before, this recipe is healthy and super easy to make. The full details and instructions of this delicious recipe will be below. Like, share, and save this recipe for later. And voila, we've got this delicious banana bread that goes perfectly with your favorite cup of tea any time of the day. It is healthy, delicious, gluten-free, sugar-free, and easy to make. So good. And it is also time to say goodbye, but stay tuned for our next recipe because it's going to be as delicious and as easy as this one. So have a great bite and goodbye, everyone.